Read me, with topic, importance of kindness.
3, 2, 1,
Go. Importance of kindness. Kindness is an essential human quality that can have a significant impact on individuals and society as a whole. It is the act of showing compassion, generosity, and empathy towards others without expecting anything in return. Kindness can improve mental health, reduce stress, and create a positive environment for everyone. It also helps to build stronger relationships, foster trust, and promote social cohesion. Kindness can be expressed in various ways, such as a simple smile, a thoughtful gesture, or a helping hand. By making kindness a habit, we can create a more compassionate and caring world, one small act at a time.